how to find trending items on Shein. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you how, so let's just get started. First of all, open up the Shein application on your screen, and once you open it up, log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in on your home screen, you should be finding different products available. You can see different products. Let me just head over to one of the products right here. When you head over to the products, you can easily find the products. So basically, if you're looking for the trending product, right in the product, you can find a description of trends. You can find a trends option right here, right before this product's name. You can find trends with a purple icon. You can look out for that. So you can find like trends in each of the products. You can see the trend being here, but when you scroll down, you do not find it on every product. For example, in this device right here, we do not have that. But when we go ahead and look out for specific products, you will find trends written over it. This is one of the method. Or on your home screen, also in the middle, different tabs are available. In the middle, we have the trends option. You can tap on it, and when you tap on it here, you will be finding all of the trends that is happening within Shein application. Apart from that, you can basically go to the home and you can look out for the search, and you can basically search for trends, type in trends and hit search, and when you do there, it will show you all of the specific products that has been trending on your Shein application. You can also look out for trend keywords, and there you'll be finding all of the trending items available right now. So therefore, that is it. You may follow this method. You could just go ahead and check out the product and check out, like basically select it, add it to cart, and check out once you're happy with the product. But this is how you basically find the trending products available in Shein. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and then subscribe for more tips and tutorials.